Let's see what happens when bold colors like black, red, and gold collide and green takes control of the center. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'll be working with black, red, copper, gold, and green. I want this piece to feel strong, layered, and full of movement. Black creates contrast, red brings intensity, gold and copper add warmth and reflection, but green has a way of grounding everything while still standing out. That balance between bold and grounded is what I'm exploring here today. Starting by layering these colors across the canvas in horizontal lines, this creates structure before any movement begins. I'm using the blow dryer to push the paint in different directions. I'm not forcing it, I'm letting the colors stretch and interact naturally. This is where the abstract design starts to form. When you combine dark tones like black with warm metallics and a strong color like red, you create immediate contrast. Adding green introduces a second focal energy that can either compete or bring balance. It all depends on how you guide the movement. Now I'm adding green straight down the center from top to bottom. This becomes my focal line, something for the eye to follow. I'm using the blow dryer again to expand the green into the surrounding colors. Watch how it either blends or pushes against the darker tones. This is one of those pieces where some people may love the combination and others may not. Green can sometimes feel like it clashes against warm tones like red, gold, and copper. But that's the beauty of art. It's subjective. Not every color pairing is meant to feel comfortable. Sometimes contrast creates tension, and that tension is what gives a painting its personality. So don't be afraid to think outside the box. Part of the process is allowing yourself to explore, take risks, and create something that feels different. That's where creativity lives. I'm letting the paint settle, making small adjustments and cleaning the sides so everything looks finished and intentional. Now I'm going in with my fingers, gliding through the green to create movement and shapes. This adds a more intentional design on top of the organic flow. You can really see the contrast now. Black anchoring the piece, red in the metallics adding intensity, and green creating the central movement. This is what I love about fluid art: bold colors, unexpected movement, and finding balance in the process. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. And stay creative, and remember to keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.